Hello and welcome to your 10-minute total body mini ball Pilates workout. In case you're new here, my name is Deanna and welcome to the Realign Collective. Here we do everything from Pilates, yoga, sound healing, nourishing recipes, and everything in between. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like this workout, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you get notifications every single time I upload a new workout. All you need for this workout today is a mini ball and a mat if you've got one, and let's get started. We are going to start with our feet about hip distance apart and place the ball between our inner thighs. So not between the knees, above the knees in those inner thighs. And then from here, feet are nice and parallel, abs are nice and contracted, pulling that waistline in, arms just by your side. You're going to lower down into a little chair squat and then bring it right back up. So we're starting with our footwork here, sitting those hips back and getting a nice inner thigh squeeze with that ball. So little slight squeeze on the ball. You should feel your pelvic floor working right away with that ball there. So pulling in and up through the pelvic floor, all the way into those lower abs and into those upper abs, zipping everything in. Good, shoulders stay down. 4, 3, 2 more. Last one, you're gonna lower it down, hold it right here. Little pulses up and down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bring it up. Whoo. All right, we are going to do a little first position. This is hard. You're not gonna be able to get your full straightening of your legs here because of that ball here, but I want you to squeeze the ball as much as you possibly can as you straighten. So here we go. You're gonna lower it down. Again, you won't get fully down either because that ball, you don't wanna lose it. And your first position might be a little narrower than normal. And up, core nice and tight here. Feeling those pelvic floor muscles. Each and every time you squeeze that ball, think of engaging those pelvic floor muscles, pulling in and up. Nice flat back, shoulders back. Just for 5, 4, we're almost done. Ooh, this is burning. 3, 2, last one. Hold it down. Little pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness those are over. All right, you're gonna bring those feet wide into a second position. So you're still turned out here. Bring the ball nice and close to your chest, elbows nice and wide here. You're gonna lower into a nice wide plie squat. Squeeze the ball with the upper body. Release the ball as you straighten. Press down, squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Make sure your glutes are active. Trying to reach your knees back behind you. Turning those glutes on, opening up through the hips. Torso is nice and tall here, like you're sliding your back down a wall. Just 5, 4, knit the rib cage together. 3, 2, last one, hold it here. Squeeze that ball, little pulses up and down with those hips for 8, 7, 6, 5, squeeze that ball. 3, 2, 1, and up. Whoo. Shake it out a little. Feet come back hip distance apart. And then from here, you're gonna do a hug a tree position with those arms. You're gonna squeeze the ball as you lift the heels up here. So when you're ready, bring it up. 3, 2, 1. Lift the heels, squeeze the ball, bring it down. Lift and squeeze, down. Equal weight between the right and the left leg. Imagine a string is pulling you straight up through the crown of the head. Lift. Equal weight between the big toe and pinky toe sides of your feet. Getting those chest muscles activated as you squeeze. Lift. Core tight. Still finding those pelvic floor muscles. 3 more. Come on. 2. Last one. And down. Woo. All right, from here, you're gonna hold on to that ball still. You're gonna bring it overhead and then tuck your chin slightly towards your chest. I want you to squeeze the ball. And we're gonna do little tricep extensions here. So shoulders plugged down, squeeze the ball, extend it out, bring it in, extend. You're squeezing on that ball the whole time. Core is tight, tiny little bend in those knees. Try and keep the shoulders away from those ears. You create the resistance in this one, so you've really got to make sure you're working for these 10 minutes. Shoulders down, core tight. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Ooh. All right, we're gonna come to the back of our mat, place the ball between your ankles. Ooh. We're gonna do some roll downs into a push-up. We're gonna do 5 rounds here. You can always drop to your knees for those push-ups and keep those elbows tucked in narrow for tricep style push-ups here. So from here, you're gonna roll it down, articulate through that spine, walk those hands out, find that plank, drop those knees if you need to, lower, find that plank, and then walk it back in. You can always, again, do a full push-up here, come all the way up and back down, just 4 more. So again, full push-up, just like this, down, press it up, walk it back in. Keep that ball steady where it is between those ankles, just 3 more. Scooping the belly in as you roll down and as you roll up, down, up. 2 more. These will definitely warm you up here. And then 1 more, we're gonna stay down at the bottom. Find that push up and down. Ooh, take a quick little child's pose. And then we are gonna find a plank, keeping that ball right where it is. So from here, extend those legs out, press the floor away, hold it here, 30 seconds. Deep inhales, nice long exhales. Reaching the crown of the head out, feeling that little tiny squeeze of that ball, pressing the floor away, lifting the chest up, holding it here, almost there. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna drop the knees down, maybe they tap, maybe not, down and up, down and up. Just for 8, 7, you can do this, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Oh my gosh, whew. Okay, quick little abs to finish everything up, and then you're good to go. All right, lay all the way back, keeping that ball between your ankles. Whew. All right, quick ab series to finish off, okay? All right, legs are gonna go straight up to the sky here. Holding the ball between those inner thighs, you're gonna lower it down, lift it right back up. Down, lift it up. Pulling those core muscles in deeper as the legs lower down, making sure they're not pooching up to the sky. Try and relax your neck and shoulders just for 5, 4, 3 more, 2, last one, hold it here. Now lifting up into your ab curl position. You're gonna keep the ball right where it is between those ankles. Extend the arms overhead, extend the legs, circle the arms around, pull it in. Inhale, reach, exhale, pull it in. Double leg stretch right here. Inhale, reach, exhale around. Just for 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Lower the head, take the ball out. Hold the ball between your hands, and we're gonna go into our crisscross here. So come up, twist over to one side, extend the opposite leg out, Come up and over and switch. Switch. Wringing out those abs like a wet towel. Drawing your navel in deeper to the spine. Getting that core engagement. Making sure it's not just the arms going side to side, it's that whole torso. Come on, we're almost there. One more each side. And relax. Woo. Okay. You're gonna come on up, place the ball under that mid back here, maybe a little lower. And we're gonna stay curled up this whole time here. So we're not extending back today, we're staying curled up. Try and flatten your back a little towards the mat. Pull those legs up one at a time to tabletop. From here, right knee stays in, left leg extends out long, and switch, switch, switch for our single leg stretch. We just have those scissors next. You can do this. Exhaling as that knee comes into the chest. Taking your time, stabilizing those hips. 3, 2, one more each side. Now right leg comes up, extend the left leg. These are a little challenging here. Hold it, switch, switch. Just for 3. I'm not making you do too many. 2, one more each side. And bend those knees, lower it down. You can roll that ball up a little higher up your back and then take a stretch over. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Woo. Big. Bring it up, chin towards that chest. Thank you so much for joining me today. That was a tough one, but quick. I'll see you in the next workout.